Sanibonani balaleli, mina igama lami nguMike Hobe, ngiyintatheli indaba ye-Studio 7 la eWashington DC. Ngise-studying ngase-Washington DC, niyabona lana kugcwele abantu abaningi abatshengiselayo, batshengisela lo mthetho kaMongameli Donald Trump, lona ozenza ukuthi kube nzima ukuthi abantu abesifazane bakhiphe isisu.
I'm Nicola Wattles. I'm 42 years old from Louisville, Illinois, a very small town in Clay County, Illinois.
I'm Susan Shan, and I'm 48, and I'm from a very small town in Southern Illinois.
Okay, so ma'am, could you just explain your sign? Pro-life is pro-woman. Go ahead. Like, what does that sign mean to you?
Well, I didn't really think about the whole pro-choice concept very seriously until last week when I saw the negativity that the Women's March spewed out. And that was very upsetting because they did not include everything that a woman wants to stand for. They only had one specific agenda, and that did not include life.
And yourself, ma'am?
Well, I felt the same way. I've never been to a rally before, and we just decided to come 2 days ago because of the negativity with the Women's March. And I support life, and I'm an adoptive mother.
I don't know why, but
And so there are other options, and I want people to know that. I feel like only one size is given. Your only choice is to abort, and it's not. There are other choices, and it costs so much more to adopt than it does to abort, and that is not right.